Hey, got a little shop cleaning, mini skid cleaning. Could be the last cleaning of the year before snow. I was gonna mention, you know, and it's pretty obvious, but I have not regretted staying on top, keeping this machine clean. You know, obviously 100 hours is really not that many hours in a way, but this thing here still looks just brand new. And yeah, I just highly recommend just keeping them clean. You know, as we've already mentioned in the past, like, you know, just keeping your tracks and stuff clean and all this stuff. It's just makes a big difference, I think. And then, you know, I guess the other thing about keeping this stuff clean, you know, you're always doing, let's say, an overview on your skid once a week. So you're just kind of looking at stuff, making sure you get on your greasing, and like I said, just looking over, you know, I always check these welds. I don't know why, but I guess I do, and they're all holding up really good, and you know, they all kind of look like they belong, stuff like that. You know, just checking your hydraulic stuff, you know, looking around where your spots are dirty, you know, just to make sure your connections are not leaking, stuff like that. I guess it's just a good habit to get into, just checking over your rig to make sure you catch anything before it gets bad and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm also gonna do another video coming up here. I think I'm gonna kind of do a new series of basically what I'm gonna kind of call it, Pimp My Mini Skid. And what I'm basically gonna do is, like I mentioned, I'm gonna probably swap out the lights, because these lights here are not near good enough, as I already mentioned. And then, you know, like I'd already mentioned, maybe adding a cup holder, phone holder. I saw some skids, they had kind of holders up here for your phone, some of the newer ones, stuff like that. So I think I'm probably just going to kind of go all out on this thing, because if you look at those other bigger skids, you know, they're 30-40 grand. It's like, okay, let's say I add some counterweights and it can lift a little bit more in certain circumstances. You know, if I can just get all the stuff, you know, it's like, I kind of look at it like this: if I drop like a couple $1,000 more into some cool aesthetics and simplicities of the machine to make it that much better, you know, what really actually separates this machine from those other ones? I mean, I really just don't think much. But anyway, I'm gonna go to finish spraying down that power wash should take in, so I get this cleaned and whatnot. Well, there we go. That's a little Sunday afternoon skid cleaning. I have to admit, I probably ran the Mini about 2 hours today. I totally missed running this, because I haven't really had the opportunity with my other projects going on to be able to mess around with this. And like I said, I've got a load of gravel coming this coming week. I think it was supposed to be Monday or Tuesday this week that's coming. So I'll be grading out about 12 yards of gravel over at one property, and then I still have a little bit more dirt work to do on this property. Other than that, I'm close to basically just being done with the machine until we get snow here. And then like I said, I'm going to get more into the Pimp My Mini videos where like I said, I'm going to probably do the LED lights here pretty quick. And then I also mentioned I'm going to do the springs on the ramp for a little bit more cushion. And like one gentleman said, maybe that's good, maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll just give it a run. Yeah, I guess I'll have future stuff coming up. But please like, subscribe, comment down below if there's anything that you want to see done, or obviously if you need anything, just leave it in the comments and help you the best I can. J Bros out.